Good morning, Natalie. In Indonesia now, still morning, around almost 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm just finishing my own hotels and cruise ships. About, I think it's just like school. So this is my place that I building for my own school. Like I'm sending people working in New Zealand, but Australia I can do that one. But the thing is the Australian visa is very hard to get. Somehow I have to find a way to get the release like business in the partner business in over there. But the thing is a little bit hard. Bring my own student to Australia and also America. Yeah, but this one is I'm just finishing this floor. So this I'm just whiting the tile because I'm still already ordered last week and will be coming on Wednesday. This coming Wednesday. So after this finish and then this start will be on 9 of September. I setting grand opening is will be 9 of September, so I have already student that already registered, and then I think on November we already apply some my own student to work in New Zealand.